Here are the top 3 renovations that you can do to make sure that you're putting the most amount of equity in your property. So number one, best thing that you can do is going to be a kitchen renovation on the property. That can be as simple as, doing some countertop sets there, or going the full distance and putting in new cabinets, new appliances, new countertops that's in there. And some of these renovations might cost you as minimal as a couple $1,000, but it might be as high as 30 or 40. This is going to be something that we're going to expect to see about an 80% return on your investment. The second best thing that you can do is going to be bathroom renovations that are out there. Those can be very simple, whether you're updating lighting, the cabinetry that's in there, new fixtures in the property. That's something that's going to be really good to do as well. And you can expect about a 75% return on investment. The third best thing that you can do is if you have unfinished space in your basement, finishing the basement off is going to be another great return on your investment. That's going to land you about a 75% return on investment for everything that you spend. Plus, you're going to be able to create some additional space for you and your family. So them are the top 3 things. If you're interested in hearing how any of them might have impacted the value of your house or future renovations might, feel free to reach out to us.